So James, I'm really excited about this next product launch you guys are fixing to release. Y'all been in the development of it for a little while, and we've kind of had some customers asking about it. So why don't you give me a little bit of insight into what Perma's doing with their Perma LoRa units?
Sure. We call it the Perma Long Range or LoRa STAR VARIO. So same makeup, it's driven the same way, just a different drive head. It really came about because we've got all these STAR VARIOs and all of these super large facilities, already saving maintenance teams a ton of time with lubricating, but they wanted a quicker, more efficient way to keep track of their STAR VARIOs, right? They wanted to, how can we monitor these things as effective as possible, right?
Yeah, I think the one thing that I get from customers a lot is that we get them on the Perma platform and they're like, oh, we're saving all this money because now our lube routes went from 6 hours down to 1 hour. And they're like, but we'd really like to see this stuff from my computer or from my tablet at my desk in real time, so that, hey, if I'm at my house and something's happened at the mill, I can log in real quickly and see what's going on with my lube units.
Yeah, that's, you hit it right on the head there. People want a dashboard. They want to see, I have 500 lubricators out there in the field. I want to know that they're all working, right? The only way to do that is for something like this that we've developed. So it's using LoRa Technology. It's an open source product. You can read all about it. It's newer, but in a nutshell, it's a lower bandwidth, higher distance communication method. So if you think about Bluetooth, you can stream a lot of data Bluetooth, but short range. LoRa is much longer range, up to 2 kilometers radius, but a lot lower bandwidth. Fortunately, with the type of data that you want to know from your lubricator, we don't need to be streaming videos. It's just telemetry. So you're getting things like a log of when it's dispensed. You're getting the fill level. You're able to determine what percentage of the lube cup is empty. What day is this lubricator due to be changed out? And it's one of the really cool things about it is it's two-way communication. So you can actually send commands to your lubricators from your desks.
Yeah, I think that's one of the big questions I get is like, hey, this machine's going down for 2 months. I want to be able to turn all my units off. Mm-hmm. I think you said there's a way to do that. So like if you know machine's going on outage, you can just log in real quickly and say, hey, turn all these groups of LoRa units off right now.
Yeah, we're planning on having that as part of our Perma Connect software, to where you can batch them and do a group command to turn off X amount of lubricators, turn them on at a certain time, schedule them. You could even purge them all if you wanted to give them an extra dose of grease. You had a hurricane come through and you want to make sure everything's greased all at the same time. You can send that kind of command. There's all kinds of potential for integrating these with condition monitoring tools, understanding that, hey, we're seeing excess vibration. Let's trigger a lubrication event. The sky's the limit with LoRa. Really, this is where the whole industry is moving. Is everyone wants data and communication.
So you're getting all this long range data. Is there any concerns with security with that data being streamed?
No, it's completely end-to-end encrypted, and it's 100% separate from the customer's network. So the data from the drives, it's all being fed to a gateway. Okay, the gateway has a SIM card and it's connected to a data plan, right? So this is completely separate from the facility's network. That goes into the cloud and then you can access it.
So a lot of our customers already have gateways in-house. Some of them are LoRa, some of them aren't. With your device, are you going to have to use your gateway, or what's that architecture look like?
Sure. There's two options. So if a customer doesn't have any LoRa knowledge right away, they want just a full turnkey solution from Perma. We provide the gateway, we provide the drives, set them up with our Perma Connect app, and then everything can be done, soup to nuts, just right through us. Okay.
Okay.
If some customers still want more security. They want all the data. They don't want anyone else involved. Maybe they've already got their own LoRa network already set up, like you said. One of the great things about that is that we're able to just tie directly in, make sure that all of the drives are communicating with their pre-existing LoRa infrastructure. And so that their data is completely theirs. There's no third party involved. They take the data from the drives and then they integrate it right into their system.
Well, I know I'm excited. We've got a lot of customers out there that have hundreds of these, and they want an easier way to kind of manage them and know when the cups need to be refilled. And it sounds like this LoRa device is going to be able to do that.
Yeah, we're really excited about it.